In this video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Coinbase to Bitrue. I had to transfer a little bit of XLM in here to do this. So basically what you're going to do is go to your portfolio, find the crypto you want. In this case, it's XLM. It could be XRP or whatever. And then you're going to go to send. Then from here you will go over to your Bitrue and it's in your portfolio. Then you can type in XLM, XRP, BTC, whatever you want to send. Click here, click deposit, and then you're going to need a memo. So it's either a memo or a tag for XRP. Every crypto will have their own sending from exchange to exchange. Make sure you use that, or otherwise you will lose your crypto. So I'm going to click that, say I understand, and then I'm going to come here, copy my tag, my memo. Gotta click, make sure you're on the right crypto too. It'll ask you here, so just click it. There you go. I'll paste my tag in. There we go. And now I'm going to go back and get my address. Copied, and there we go. We'll paste that in. And I know the 4 first digits are cool. I'm going to go back to the 4 first ones, kind of look at them and double check. Yes, looks good. Everything looks good. Now I'm going to hit send. I'm going to send all first, then send. Then withdraw, and then I'm going to put in my Google Authenticator. And then send it. And there we go. Let's go back to Bitrue, and it should take only a few seconds to show up. And there we go. It's there. I will be making more of these videos. Just depending, I will do more crypto. I will get into Bitrue more to show you how to place orders and things like that. And yeah, I think that's it. It's pretty simple to send. Always make sure you have a tag number or a memo or whatever when you're sending from exchange to exchange. If you have a wallet, that is not needed at all. You can send from Coinbase to your wallet without a tag. That's it.